Before getting started on the spiritual fire component of your personal strategic planning, recall that the entire FIRES system looks like this. Financial. You want and need professional financial security and success. Internal. You want and need a holistically healthy day-to-day existence. Relational. You want and need good relationships with friends and family. External. You want and need to make social community contributions. Spiritual. You want and need, above all else, to live out your core values. We are starting with your spiritual fire because your core values and deepest beliefs must steer all other aspects of your life, including the other ones listed in the FIRES system. The work you will do for the remainder of this chapter and this series will culminate in the creation of a personal definition strategy. As you'll see, this section, your spiritual fire process, is stylized like a workbook, so you can use its pages to record your thoughts and create your personal definition strategy. But if you find the spaces allotted aren't large enough for your notes, please use another document to record your process. This could be a notebook, a computer document, or the walls of your bedroom. Just use what makes you feel comfortable and allows you to stay organized. Are you ready to start?